Hi guys, this is Trickshots and welcome to my training channel and Snooker EQ Snooker Mania. I hope you're enjoying it, and I'm making quite a few English language videos which I'm getting a very good response, getting so many private messages on Facebook, on my WhatsApp and on so many other platforms. So guys, if you guys seriously interested in improving your game, keep watching my channel. And if you like, you want to be part of my exclusive private Facebook page, Facebook group. There are only few members in there. You can send me a message and I will see if I can add you in. But that is only for the people who like my methodology or my methods of playing. So please do subscribe my channel, and today we are going to talk about the long pots, and we'll see that how good we can get with the simple practice routines and simple cueing, and the pace that we are going to use for long pots is going to help us improve our cueing and obviously central striking for long pots. So let's start today's video, mate. Okay guys, so let's start our today's practice, and you see I have placed my white ball on the ball line and blue ball on the spot, but wait, if you think I'm going to start my practice from this part, it's not going to happen. What we need to do is start from lesser distance spots and then to improve our potting skills and move to the up to the blue spot. So I'm going to remove this blue ball, okay, and I'm going to place my red ball right close, straight ball, straight cueing, straight pot on the ball line, almost 1.5 foot distance. Good enough for you, for the beginners or who are struggling with their cueing. This will help you, trust me, this will help you. So get into the shot. Again, stand behind the shot, as I mentioned in some of the videos, last cueing videos on the ball line. I hope you have done that practice. So this is next one. Get into the shot. Okay. Okay. Stay down. And you can see it was a very good shot, but what happened when I played my shot, my white ball moved a bit, so it means my shot was not aligned, or either my white ball was not centralized. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replay this shot, and until I'll keep playing this shot unless I get better and my red pot is perfect. Let me just play. That's a good shot. That's a good stun shot. I can tell. You can see I'm not using too much force. Let's play the shot once again. Playing these shots again and again with the same distance unless you get confident. So you can see even a white ball is touching my cue. There's another practice that I'm going to talk about sometime. So keep practicing, and once you are used to it, then take your white ball on the blue spot and try to stay down and try to play simple shot, simple stun shot without moving your head. You see, I have not used any force in it because this is the best pace and best sound of the shot. People, what they do is they force too much power in it, they put too much power in their cueing, which lost their white ball and red ball or blue ball, and then they miss everything. They hand over their chance to their opponent. So if you are working on your cueing, these two are the best exercises. Let me redo it again. Let me try this shot if I am confident enough and my cueing is, I'm going to try to use the same pace. Again, put your chalk on, don't be hasty, get into the shot. You can see simple delivery, full delivery, and staying down in the short are the keys for this practice. And then ultimately, if you want to try, you can try to put both balls in that pocket, which is very, very difficult and the ultimate test of your game. Let me try it. That's a perfect queuing shot, but it's not easy. You're going to get to this stage later. So I hope you understand the importance of the queuing. I emphasize on these shots, on these practices, or certain practices on queuing, getting into the shot, because without it you cannot go anywhere. You can see hundreds of different sorts of videos, and they are very good. People are doing some good jobs. I really appreciate, as long as they're promoting snooker, I appreciate all of them. But the thing is, unless you focus or work on your queuing, your centralized hitting, you are gonna be stuck on one point and at one stage, and you cannot be a better player. So I hope you enjoyed my today's video, and if you have any questions, do let me know. And if you want to be part of my discussion at my private Facebook page, you can be part of it. You can join it. You can send me a private message on the numbers given, or you can join my public group, which is on WhatsApp. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it, but I'm still keeping it. So I hope you are working on my routines, my practices, and keep sending me your requests on certain videos. I'm working more videos in English language as well, because people have been following me for asking me for years that I should work more on English version of videos as well, language videos as well. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, watch my videos again and again, and please do practice. Without practice, just watching this video is nothing for you. So if you need to if you want to have a private training session with me, let me know. If you want to have a private online training session with me, let me know. If you want to have if you want to invite me in your city, in your country, do let me know. Get in touch and we can manage a schedule, as I am very busy most of the time. So hoping that I see you playing good game and learning from my efforts. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.